English garden. Bring the world to you all. Simple future tense. The simple future tense expresses that an action will happen at some future moment. The simple future tense can be used to talk about future events, make predictions, declare one's intentions, and state a spontaneous decision. For example, it will be summer soon. We will wash your car. Will you come to the dance with me? Structure. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus will plus base form plus object. For examples, Julia will do her homework. He will go to school tomorrow. Negative sentences. We use not after auxiliary verb to make the sentence negative. Subject plus will plus not plus base form plus object. Abbreviation of will not is won't. For examples, Julia will not do her homework. He won't go to school tomorrow. Question sentences. To make the question, auxiliary verb comes at the start of the sentence and question mark at the end. Will plus subject plus base form plus object plus question mark. For examples, will Julia do her homework? Will he go to school tomorrow? How do you use the simple future in a sentence? Now that you know how to form this tense, here is how you can use it correctly in your sentences. You can use it to predict a future event. For example, I think it will rain soon. I am sure he will pass the exam. You can also use the simple future tense to express a spontaneous decision. For example, don't worry, we will pay for everything if you don't have any money. The simple future tense is used for unplanned or unavoidable future events. For example, winter will come soon. The simple future tense is used to make an offer. For example, I will help you with the dishes. The simple future tense is used to make a promise. For example, I won't do it again, I promise. The simple future tense is used to make a request. For example, will you come and help me in the garden? I have to pick some apples. The simple future tense is used to make an order. For example, he will do as I say. The simple future tense is used to make a threat. For example, if you do it one more time, I won't speak with you again. Signs to identify the simple future. Signal words with adverbs of time. Tomorrow. Next week. Next month. Next year. Next day. In plus time. For example, he will leave here in 10 minutes. See you tomorrow. There are verbs in the sentence that indicate opinion. Think, believe, assume, suppose, etc. For example, I think it will snow. It's so cold tonight. I believe that you will succeed. Thanks for watching.